Okay, I'm setting out the Arch Linux wiki on the iwd command, which is going to get you a Wi-Fi connection, or it stands for the wireless daemon, network wireless daemon, or iNet wireless daemon. But here is the web link or web page for that, and it tells you how to use it. And that's what we're going to go over. First thing it says here is iwctl. That's the command you'd use. We're going to go over all this. You can type in help. Device list, this is going to be what we're going to go through. So I'm just going to go through this. I'll put the link in the description and you'll be able to follow right along. So first thing you're going to do is boot into your ISO, and this happens to be Arch Linux 32, but it would work the exact same on Arch Linux. We're going to boot up, speed this up a little bit. Still seems slow at 400. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to check for connectivity. You can either ping or pacman-syy, and you can see here that it was not connected. So we're going to run iwctl. Okay, now we're going to run device list, and it should list your device here. And when I say device, in this case now, it's WLAN 0. But you can see up here where it says powered, it says on. So you just missed the note there that said what to do if it does say off. So you're going to run station WLAN scan, and then the next thing is station, and then the device, in this case WLAN 0, get networks. First one scanned did not return anything, and get networks will. You should see your network. If it's picking it up, it'll show up here. And then you're going to select the one you want to connect to, and then the command will be station device, in this case WLAN 0, connect to whatever SSID you want to use there. So in this case, I'm going to use the Netgear. And once you press enter here, you're going to be asked prompt for a passphrase, and then when you're ready, press enter. Take your time. All right. Now, if you did everything right and all is well, you can hit or type in exit, or you can hit Ctrl D. And now let's check the internet. And we're online. And like it says there, if it's not online, just repeat the process. You probably made a typo of some sort. But there we go. And I apologize for the small font. I'm going to correct it right now, and I'll show you how to correct it. This is the largest font that I have found in the font library. And it's on Arch Linux 64 and 32-bit. And you'll be able to see the command when I actually press enter here. There it is. I'm going to pause. Pause. Step font. LATARCYRHEB hyphen SUN 32 period PSFU dot or period GZ. And that'll make your font a lot bigger. Usually you don't have to worry about this, but this is I happen to be booting into a BIOS boot, and that's what happens during the BIOS boot. You'll need to increase your font size. That's how you connect in Arch Linux. That's how you connect to a Wi-Fi. If it doesn't already pick it up, if it doesn't show up, my suggestion at that point is to connect a landline, and then once you get the network manager and WPA supplicate and that kind of stuff installed, you should be in good shape, hopefully anyway, or at least that'll give you a chance to find your Wi-Fi and look for the driver. Or the next option that I like to use is plug in a Netis USB Wi-Fi thumb drive, Wi-Fi thumb. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Peace out. Bye.